I think our business is in fantastic shape. We had a crushingly good 2021 that just ended at the beginning of July, which was our fiscal year start for 2022. We grew 114% for our subscription business, which is our core business, and we just guided to more than 56% subscription growth for that same business. So we're feeling like the growth is there. We're making smart investments in our business for future growth, and we feel great. We've had an incredible year with COVID, 50% sub growth against a COVID year, by the way, which is pretty Herculean, and we're feeling great.
So you're cutting the price of the bike by 20%, which would be, about $400 for your most popular bike. Why do that now?
Oh gosh, I'm glad you asked, Emily. We are so proud to be able to offer our bike at a lower price point. It's been our dream. 4 or 5 years ago, maybe 6 years ago, going back, the founders and I, it was like nails on the chalkboard when people talked about Peloton as a product and an experience for rich people. And it's not. It's for everybody. We keep talking about democratizing the access to great fitness. And so lowering the price of the core bike today, to answer your question directly, we were able to do it now because our supply chain capacity finally caught up with our demand. So now we are going to be able to make over 1 million bikes this year. And so with that type of capacity, we can lower the price to now $39 a month, which feels accessible. When you think about you and your live-in partner might split the membership, or you might both ride the bike, it's under $20 per month for the hardware, under $40 per month when you factor in the $39 subscription. And so we feel great about the accessibility, and we were very proud to offer it. It's the right thing for our business, it's the right thing for our communities, and it's the right thing for our members.
Now, you just disclosed you've been subpoenaed for information about the treadmill recall by the DOJ, by the DHS. The SEC is also investigating. And look, there's concern you didn't recall them soon enough. Children being in danger. What can you tell us about this?
So we will always cooperate with authorities whenever there's an investigation. We're proud of what we're doing. We're making the right decisions. We don't have anything to hide. I will say that another government agency, the Consumer Product Safety Commission, also I won't say investigated us, but we were working with them to get on the right side of the line with safety for our tread, our lower price tread that we just announced is going to be for sale next week in the UK and Canada and the US for the first time. So we are now on the right side of the line with the CPSC with respect to safety, and they feel good about our new product, which we obviously do too. We think the new tread is going to be a game changer. William, on the earnings call last night, William, my partner, said that he thinks that this could be potentially bigger than our bike business. So we're super excited about the tread category. And of course, we're going to cooperate with any investigations.
So, you did express that optimism about the tread business on the call, saying it could be even bigger than the bike business. And what makes you so confident, given it's been a difficult start? And what are some lessons you've taken away from this process, which I'm sure has been incredibly challenging?
Yeah, for sure. The reason why I'm confident is I believe that this boot camp style workout, treadmills of yesteryear were running machines where you just got on and droned on for 30 minutes and you kind of didn't love it. The Peloton treadmill brings circuit workouts, boot camp workouts. You're on the tread for 5 minutes, you're off the tread. You have a heart rate tether, so you get, you're still connected to the leaderboard when you're off the tread, but you're doing weight training, you're doing full body boot camp workouts, which are super popular, even more popular than indoor cycling classes. So the category itself of treadmills is much bigger than in stationary bikes. And the content that you consume in these classes, the bootcamp classes, is even better from my perspective, from a full body perspective, than just the core indoor cycling. So we think it's going to be a fantastic product. We love the Net Promoter Score is already 85 for that product. So we have high hopes for the tread category.
So what else is on the Peloton roadmap that investors can get excited about? We've reported on some potential new products, a rower, a strength training machine, a new heart rate wearable. What are the status of those?
Yeah, so we just reported yesterday that 10% of our revenue has gone into R&D. So we have so many fantastic new platforms, to your point, Emily, across all kinds of different opportunities and new platforms that we're excited to bring to market. We've said that this year is going to be a big year for launching these new platforms. We have nothing to talk about today, but I can assure you that we've got a lot of cool stuff that we're not stopping at a bike or the tread category.
You said you've returned to profitability by 2023. You hit profitability. Some of these issues have taken you back. What makes you so confident you'll get there by then?
Well, the beautiful thing about our business is that it's predictable. When you think about the subscription business, we're going to end this year with over 3.6 million subscribers paying us $39 a month. We also have a fantastic performance-based marketing organization where we can, we know what we're doing with respect to marketing and having that translate into sales. So we're insanely disciplined about performance marketing. So we have very predictable revenues. And when you layer the predictability of the recurring cash flow and the predictability of our hardware sales against a predictable expense base, we can model out and say, yes, in 2023, we're going to be profitable based on understanding our business. So when Jill Woodworth says we're going to be profitable next year, Jill is our CFO. You can sleep easy that that's the case. But what we have said is this year is an investment year, and investments are fantastic. We feel very good about all the investments we're making, and it is taking us into the negative EBITDA a little bit, but we feel like it's the right thing for long-term growth.
Now, you've said we're at an inflection point for connected fitness, but there's more competition out there. You've got Mirror, you've got Hydro, you've got Tonal, you've got Apple with its Fitness Plus service. How do you see Peloton continuing to stand out as gyms are reopening and the pandemic is hopefully ending soon?
Yeah, we hope so too. I'm as social as anyone I know, and I'm here in New York City, and we just invested in this fantastic new headquarters. So I'm giddy with excitement to try and get COVID behind us and get back and see all my great colleagues. But I'm glad you brought up the gyms, because from our perspective, that is the competition. We believe that there's 180 million people globally with gym memberships. We believe that those people are paying hard money month after month, and they just want to be fit. If they could get more fit in a better location at a better value, we can shift them over to home fitness. And that is the plan. That is who we see as our true competitors. And we're excited about our value proposition vis-a-vis the gyms long term.
What about international? Like, what do you see when it comes to international expansion, opportunity that you're targeting?
Yeah, we love international. Our head of international, a guy named Kevin Cornell, is out of London, is doing a fantastic job. As you know, we just launched Australia this summer. We have more markets in the works for the coming years. We believe, we know from our members how much they love our products and services. So we're just trying to get to new markets and service new communities. We feel like it's good for business, but it's also good for the health and wellness of people around the world. So we couldn't be more excited about our international opportunities.